We are learning how to do a line of best fit, or as it's known, make a linear regression using Desmos. Now the first challenge is getting the data into Desmos so that we can do the line of best fit with it. There are 2 or 3 ways. First of all, we could just add a table and then enter our data manually. Already I'm bored. The second method that we can use is to copy and paste data. So if you have a spreadsheet, for example, you can highlight a portion, Control C, and you can hit Control V. You'll notice that Desmos is differentiating these two tables by putting a different subscript on each table. If you have some sort of a web source of data and it's in a table, you can also use it, enter the data into Desmos, but you might have to use the Control V key to paste it. We are now going to have Desmos find the line of best fit or perform the linear regression on the data relating y subscript 4 to x subscript 4. It's a little tricky typing the subscripts, so I'm going to go y, I have to hit the underscore key, subscript 4. Now I have to hit the right arrow button to get out of the underscore. I don't type equals, I type tilde. I think this is linear, and so I'm going to use y equals mx plus b or y equals ax plus b. I'm going to type y equals a x underscore 4 right arrow plus b. Now that I've plotted my line of best fit or my regression, I'm ready to look at the parameters and some of the other things that Desmos has calculated for me. A, which is my slope, is 0.76667, shown down here. B, which is essentially my y-intercept, is 4.0667, plotted here. Now, if you're interested, R, or Pearson's R, is calculated here, 0.907. Pearson's R is positive, and that's because the slope of the line is positive. Pearson's R is 0.9. The maximum value that it could have is 1. You can see this is a reasonable line of best fit. Desmos also plots, or can plot, the residuals, meaning the difference between the line and the points. And as you can see, when I plot the residuals, I get a reasonably close fit with the possibility of one outlier. And so Desmos has shown me what the outliers are to this curve of best fit.